If your Windows 10 computer has become slow, is having problems, or you just want a fresh start, you can do a full factory reset. This process will remove Windows and reinstall it, so your PC will be like it was when you first got it. To start, click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner and open Settings. From there, go to Update and Security, and then choose Recovery from the menu on the left. In the section called Reset this PC, click Get Started. At this point, Windows will ask how you want to reset your computer. One option lets you keep your personal files while removing all the apps and programs you've installed. This is useful if you want a clean system, but still keep your documents, pictures, and other files. The other option completely removes everything, all your files, apps, and settings, so your computer is totally clean, just like when it came from the store. After you make your choice, Windows will guide you through the rest of the process, and in a short while, your PC will be ready to use again.